Hello, in this video I'll be making how to remove Twilio or Agora from the application like this customer is asking. Many customers face this issue. So this is how you remove any feature. For example, first of all, I'll check if I'll remove the packages related to Twilio and Agora. So first of all, I'll go to installed packages, and in here we have Twilio. Let me search it. Alright, Agora. Okay, this is Agora. So first of all, let's remove Agora. Uninstall Agora. As removing Agora from the application. First of all, it will simply remove it. And now, if I build this project, before this it was building properly. So now, if I build this project, you will see many errors related to Agora. So now if I just go to Agora related files, come on. Now it will show me error in multiple places because I have removed the source. So now all these Agora related our files, it will show me errors. So what I'll do is I'll simply wherever this kind of uh, line is being used, I'll just go there and comment it out. Okay, this is being used in these 4 places. So I can do is I can simply comment this, and then all these files I can also comment this complete file, but it will be a little bit challenging to resolve all the issues which will now it will show, but let's do it this way. Okay, the other file is this is Agora. One file is this is live streaming, it's also being used by Agora. And in this file I also no, this is main application, so I cannot comment it directly. I'll just need to find this line and then delete the related code. Okay, so initialize RTC, this is Agora related code. RTC engine, this is Agora related code. Register event handler, I event, and I'm handler, these are Agora related code. I can this I can just delete the whole region Agora. Okay, from this file I think I have removed everything. Yeah, from this file I've deleted everything related to Agora. Live stream activity, basically if customer does not want Agora, then it means that he does not need live stream. If he doesn't want Agora, then definitely he does not need Agora related implementation in the app. So next thing is it's actually building. It's going to show me a lot of errors, but let me try to find a correlated file for this. Now it has shown me multiple other places. I'll just Agora livestream bind. First of all, you just need to delete it from the top. Okay, now this is intelligence issue. It's not showing me yet. Come on, let's go into some other file. Okay, all these lines are commented out already, so I'll simply delete this file just to get rid of all the things which it's showing me that agora is being used in this place and all that. So now this is related to agora, so I'll simply delete agora related things. This is agora, beauty and all that. This is not being used by agora, but still it's showing me like that. This is agora basically. And video encoder configurations, etc. This is not agora basically, this is related to something else. Now this thing you will have to figure out on your own, that which things are being used by, I mean which code is related to agora, which code isn't related to agora and all that. RTC based activity, I mean it's completely related to agora. I'll delete it. And then if I just go there, I don't know which file it's considering to be part of agora, but let me check. Okay, let's clean and build once again agora. No, agora is not being used in this file. Let me build once again. Okay, by doing this we are actually decreasing the size, because agora plugin itself takes a lot of size. So we need to get rid of all the packages, extra packages which we do not want to use. But as a creator of the application, we always have to use all these packages, because if we do not add, then customer demand that we should have agora, we should have live stream option, we should have uh, Twilio call feature, we should have multiple options for call. All these things are demanded by customers, so we have to add all this thing. Okay, now it's showing me different players over here. So for example, if you do not want to use any of the players, you can just simply delete it. All these plugins, not all of the plugins, but some take a lot of space. Every plugin is used for different purposes. For example, if you want to know why this plugin is being used in the application, so just go to the project and you just need to do a little bit reading about it. You'll know that what the purpose of this plugin is. This is for different kind of designs, etc. You can check anything else, like why this cardinal mobile SDK is being used. Okay, just read it over here. What is the purpose of this thing? This plugin is used for Braintree, etc. Like it's being used for PayPal. So stuff like that, you'll know it very easily. Okay, now it's showing me these two errors. I'm not sure if these two errors are related to agora, but let's comment it out for now. Probably it is related to agora, but let's see. UGC policy. These our code files are not that huge. It does not take much of the space. Code files are very light, but the plugins which we use in the application, they are very heavy, and those plugins take a lot of space in the application. But we have to use all those plugins, otherwise we cannot, I mean we'll have to satisfy every customer. By doing this, we'll decrease the size of the application. uh, I don't know how much it will decrease the size, but it will decrease size at least for some MBs, obviously. agora xamarin increases app size. Come on. So all these problems are, we face such issues. This is very common when people are already addressing this thing and asking for solutions. नहीं, all this now it's building, now application is building actually. It will take a little bit time, but all these solutions are there. Not every solution work for everybody, so we cannot say that we did not implement all these solutions. We did actually, we might have already. I'm not sure about the dev team, but this is for the demo purpose. You can find any plugin which will which taking all the size and everything, all that, everything, you know. Now it's showing me more errors. DT Xamarin's client broadcaster and all that. Open live utility. This is also a live stream related file. So I can easily remove it because I don't need live stream. When we delete Agora, we don't need live stream at all. Then this is being used by different stats, like if Agora quality is good or not. I can remove that as well, quality to string. No, I don't need to remove the method, just remove the specific code. Live stream activity. Here it's opening live stream activity. There's a live stream activity. I mean, when you click on any button related to live stream, it will go to this line and it will open live stream. Okay, so I'll just delete it because I don't need it. Live stream related code, let's delete it. Live stream related code, on click. This is another one. When you click on a button and you want to open live stream, let's remove it as well because we don't need it. This is also live stream related content. Here we have live stream related code as well, so let's delete it. All the errors are gone now. Okay, one thing you can do is you can analyze an APK what is increasing the size of an APK. So you can delete specific files as well. Let me check if I have an APK. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, APK contains APK. It's not showing me any APK right now. I don't have any actually. I deleted all the APKs. I have APK in download folder, so I can use that APK for demo purpose. Okay, let's see, analyze. You can analyze from build, analyze APK, and then select that particular APK, and now it's analyzing. It's analyzing the APK, and it will tell me what is causing more size. It will take a little bit. Okay, now it's download size is 128 MB and the APK size is 136. So let me check what is causing the application size to be that huge. So biggest size is basically the user interface, and then all these files are in KB. So basically all the images and all these things are in this folder, so it's okay if it's 14.8 MB. Now we need to figure out yeah, now it's done. It has refreshed now. Okay, basically we are using two architectures, ARM ABI and ARM 64. So if I just create APK for one architecture and then create an APK for different architecture, second architecture, then it will decrease the size of our application to like 45 MB and 33 MB. So we'll have two APKs. One will have lesser size and other that. And then there's 14 resolution. Images. Then there are all the assets like font size, etc. And then these are the assemblies. These are different files. So basically, the biggest chunk of the file is like agora. You can see AVC codec. This is video player basically, and then there's lab agora, and then there's Studio. If I just remove these two files, it will decrease the file application size to like 10 MB. लाइट आ गई, फ्रिज बंद कर. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, and now I've shown you. So now let's go back and let's remove it everywhere wherever it's being used. Come on. I cannot delete all the code. Some in some places I delete complete complete method and some files and all that. So I know basically that this code is only related to live stream and Agora. Some methods are completely for Agora. Some lines are completely for Agora. So that's why I'm deleting differently from every file. Basically, you'll have to figure it out on your own. Okay, now if I rebuild code again, close all files, and now there's one thing, and there's another thing. Like I was telling you that we have two architectures like that, so we can choose one architecture at a time. So let's go to uh, come on, double click this thing, and it will open the properties. Android build. In Android build we have advanced option, and here we can select ARM64 or ARM ABI. Okay, we have four options. We are using two options at the moment. If I just click on this thing and then click OK, it will remove the other option and it will only create application for this architecture. These architectures are basically for mobile. Mm, every mobile has different architecture. I mean four option every Android mobile, and you can select one at a time. And what we can do is we can simply uncheck this option and then create an APK. It will decrease the size like that as well. um, what how to upload multiple APKs in Google Play console. I know that they have given a new option. They are saying that we should use AAB rather than APK, but still let's see. Population, all that. So Google everything. You have all the solutions given over here. You can read it yourself and all that. Let's see something from latest from this year. Uh, okay, multiple APK support. Multiple APKs. You can read this whole article. It's given by Google developers and developer Android to Google Play, publishing multiple APKs. You can read that in detail, and you'll know what the purpose of this thing is. If you publish your application to Google Play, you should build and upload an AAB file. Now APK is not accepted. Google Play automatically generates the several and serves optimized APKs for each architecture, each device configuration. So basically, we just if we select one, if we select AAB rather than APK, it will do all this work automatically. That's all. And AAB can be selected from here as well. If you don't know, you can select this thing. This is AAB. This is APK. You can select. In order to install application in mobile, we need like using Wire. We need to select APK. Once we want to upload application on Google Play Store, then we should select AAB and then create an APK and then upload it on the Play Store, and then it will be available to the customer. The size will be less. Now it's taking time, but hopefully this will build successfully. And even if it does not, I'll do the same. Whichever line it points me to, I'll delete those lines because I know that it will. I don't need Agora, and I don't need live stream related code, so I'll simply delete those lines, and eventually my application size will decrease at least 5 MB, 5 to how many MBs were there? I don't remember actually. It will decrease the size. Assemblies, okay. It will decrease the size of the application. Oh, come on. Okay, it will at least decrease the size of Agora 6 MB. And then if I just go to deleting Twilio, it will decrease the 4 MB as well. So this is how basically we decrease the application size if we have to. Our code, I can show you how much our code is taking the size of the application. Assets, this is our folder, all these files are ours. Assemblies, in this assemblies we have, okay, this is basically encrypted file generated during the, we can just, okay, basically these are our files, lib and agora. Okay, there are multiple agora related files like this, so hopefully it will decrease more size than 5 MB. All these files are libraries we are using in the application, like packages, and this is our layout files. These are our layout files, user interface basically, and these are our drawable different images in the application. We can also use low quality images if we want to, and it will decrease the size of the application, emojis, etc. This is, you'll not see the code from here basically, the lines, the source code actually, because it's encrypted. But I hope I've given you guys an idea about how to decrease the size of the application. It's taking a little bit time. Let's wait. Our video is already of 28 minutes. Let's wait a little bit more and then I'll close. So you give it a good read and you'll know how to handle all this. And it's also recommended that you use AAB file for installations. Remember, this is Android Studio. We do not have analyze option in Visual Studio. So analyze APK. Let's see if there is, but is there an option for analyze APK in Visual Studio? Visual Studio. No. It's all analyzing and shrinking. This is something different. No. It's all Android Studio. You'll just need to download Android Studio. Okay. Our application is now built. You can see it's saying that size is 0. So Agora is removed. Similarly, we can delete Twilio from the application. It will take too much time if I keep on deleting this thing, but let's see. TW Twilio. Twilio. It's not showing with Twilio package. Okay. It's showing with Twilio package over here, but let's see install from the installed packages. uh, I can also search from this application as well. I don't remember which plugin is being used for. Okay, in audio video call we have audio video call, audio call. Oh, sorry. Audio video call is not there in this application basically. It's timeline rather than it's in combined app. So I'm not sure if Tulio is there in this application. This is all I'm getting from for Twilio, so it means that Twilio may not be there. Look, we have Millicast for live as well. All these options are there on the request from our customer. Okay, that's all from me today. I'll create